Deuxième. All right, guys, Frank 450 Sports. I am live with break number 1148, which is the second break of the evening. This time it's a double SPGU 14-15. This is a tin pack. Usually tin packs are the best. This one is thicker a little bit. All right. So good luck to everybody. We start with a random between the Colorado and the Washington Capitals, Sim and Varlamov. We have a Colton Sisson jersey number to 499. We have Eric Stahl number to 75. We have Picarine autograph. And we have a draft day marks. Tampa Bay Lightning of Vladislav Nameshnikov. All right, and let's see that tin pack. Oh, that's disappointing. All right, number 35, we have a Picarine base card. We have a jersey for the Montreal Habs, PK Subban, Piquet. We have a jersey for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Alexander Venberg. We have Laurent Brossoit autograph, SPGU rookie. And we have an ink rookie sweaters for the Flyers, Claude Giroux. So there you go. This was all for 1148. I'll be back in a minute with Portfolio, which is a double box break. I'll be right back.